Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the phone and work area spotless. This prevents trapped dust and bubbles. Once done, wash your hands and use the included alcohol wipe to remove oils, then dry with a microfiber cloth. Make sure to use the dust removal sticker across the screen. It picks up tiny particles standard wipes miss. Align the protective frame or guide tabs now, positioning the S25 Ultra protector loosely to check fit. This early alignment saves rework and ensures edge-to-edge coverage before you peel the backing. You peel back about 1/4 of the protector backing and bring the exposed edge to the phone's top alignment. Lower slowly while keeping the guide steady. Once the protector contacts the screen, press the center lightly and then use the included squeegee or a stiff card to push air toward the edges. If a small dust mote appears, lift one corner gently, dab the area with the dust sticker, then reseat immediately. Make sure to press firmly along the perimeter to bond the adhesive evenly. You finish by pressing all edges for 20 to 30 seconds to secure the adhesive and ensure responsive touch. Once done, inspect under different angles. Wait 24 hours before snapping on a case so the protector can settle. If you see tiny bubbles near the edge, press outward with the card. Small interior bubbles often disappear over a day. If dust remains trapped, lift only a corner, use the dust sticker to remove the particle, then reseal immediately. This targeted fix prevents lifting the whole protector.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.